Hey guys, it's Jim. Um, I got a couple things I'm going to talk about here for a minute. The first thing is this maybe my last video for a couple of months. I plan on doing some major um, work on the track itself, and I can't, you know, work a long time at a time, so it's going to take me a bit of time to get it done. But I'm not really overly happy with this foam uh, roadbed, so it's all gonna go. And what I plan on doing is going back to the cork, and then also I'm gonna take the the one siding that's on the close, like my side of the table, is going to come out, and I'm going to put a little 2 foot by 4 foot table off the end of the table into the corner, and I'm going to set up a yard there, and then the yard that's on the other side of the track, I'm going to move over to this side of the track, and like build it down into the corner. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is I was talking on chat on one of my other buddies, MMT Derailed, Matthew, and I was telling him about a track cleaning thing that I've discovered. And it was all by accident, but this is what it is. It's, can we read it here? Yeah, it's Javix non-scratch anti-rayon, or anti-scratch, or anti-something. I can't read that. I haven't got my glasses on. But it works great for cleaning the track. And the thing is it's only $1 at Dollarama. So us Canadians, we're gonna boo-hoo. That's a good thing. But give me a minute. I'll change the camera around, and I'll give you a bit of demonstration on how nice it works. Like I said, it was a total accident. I found this thing. Actually, I stole it from my son-in-law. He's working on some car parts in the other side of the basement, and I saw what he was doing, and I thought, let's give it a try. And I was impressed. Back shortly, I'm back. The track's not really overly dirty right now anyway, but as you can see, there is some dirt to it, but you can't see a difference there. Like I said, I'm quite impressed with this. I can see it with my eye, but with the camera it looks pretty clean, but right this area here on the switch. Yeah, I don't need that last switch stuff like that. There we go. Yeah, see, like it does make a difference. So with that, I'm gonna hang the camera back up again and put it on the do some train running mode. Run the ES44 ACs. Nothing special, just put them on the table, let them go. Choo-choo. Okay, that's it for today.